Hello world, my name is Shawn Rodin, and welcome to Deeper Thoughts. Today, let's dive into the topic of H2O memory. Scientists often travel to the coldest regions of the Earth to study our climate. The samples they collect from the ice, called ice cores, hold a record of what our Earth was like hundreds of thousands of years ago. Ice cores can give scientists important information about temperature, precipitation, atmospheric composition, volcanic activity, and even wind patterns. Researchers study the bubbles of gas trapped in the ice and run melted samples through various instruments to find tiny pieces of pollution, traces of metals, or natural aerosols like dust or volcanic ash. They look for patterns to track changes in the atmosphere's composition and temperature, so they can have a better idea of what activities happened on Earth many years ago. Through these experiments, it is a fact that water contains physical information. Can water also hold non-physical memory or emotion? One Japanese researcher, Dr. Masaru Emoto, believed it does. In his book, The Hidden Messages in Water, he suggested that human thoughts, emotions, and intentions could alter the physical properties of water molecules. Dr. Emoto demonstrated how water that is exposed to loving and positive human intention resulted in beautiful molecular formations in the water. Water exposed to fearful and negative human intentions resulted in disconnected and unpleasant molecular formations. He also experimented with music and found that classical music, such as Mozart, generated beautiful crystalline patterns, while heavy metal music generated ugly and distorted crystalline formations. He did his research through magnetic resonance analysis technology and high-speed photographs. More recently, a New Zealand woman named Veda Austin has taken Emoto's work to another level. Through macroscopic photography, she focuses on the stage of water between liquid and ice. She uses words, thoughts, pictures, or music. She then pre-freezes the water in a petri dish and photographs the water's liquid crystal response minutes later. For example, an image of a hand will appear in the ice after the thought of the human hand was sent to the water. Of course, modern science is critical of Emoto's and Austin's work, and classify it as pseudoscience, or fake science. They argue that their methods of capturing the images do not follow proper scientific method, lack reproducibility, and are not peer-reviewed. They believe that different observers could interpret the same ice crystal images differently. What we do know for certain is that without water, there is no life on Earth. But is it possible that water holds an intelligence that we don't fully understand yet? Both Austin's and Emoto's images are available online to view for yourself. So, don't believe me, do your own research, and think about it.